Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you. Hi, welcome to Murli Maths class. So today we will learn applications of trigonometry. Applications of trigonometry. That is exercise 12.1. In that exercise 12.1 we will see now how to solve a second problem. Okay, a tree breaks due to storm, and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30 degrees angle with the ground. 30 degrees angle with the ground. Next, the distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. Find the height of the tree before falling down. So this is the problem given. Okay, so read the problem and draw the diagram for this to solve this. Okay, yes, solution you see. So we need to draw the diagram for this if you want to solve. What they give: a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30 degrees angle with the ground. So okay, so observe here. So this is the ground. This is ground. So one tree is there like this. One tree is there like this. Up to here the tree is there, but at this point it is breaking. And falling down like this. So actually the tree is this much of height. The tree is up to here. Okay, up to here the tree is there, but due to storm it is cutting somewhere here and bending towards the ground. Okay, and here they given some angle, that is 30 degrees angle is given. This tree breaks at this point. It is breaking and falling like this on the ground, making 30 degrees angle. Next, the distance between the foot of the tree means this one. Foot of the tree and the top of the tree. Top of the tree means this one. This distance is given. How much given? 6 meters. foot of the tree, top of the tree. This is top of the tree only, no. At this point it is breaking. This tree is breaking and falling like this, falling down like this, okay. So top of the tree, total distance is 6 meters. What is the height of the tree before falling? Height of the tree means what? Let us give the name A, B, C. Height of the tree means what? Height of the tree. Height of the tree. Height of the tree means here BC plus BC plus CA. That is the height of the tree. BC CA, that is the height of the tree. Why? Because the tree is up to here, but due to storm, no, at this point it is breaking and falling like this. Then what is the height of the tree? This distance plus this distance. So we have to find BC answer and CA answer also we have to find. Okay. So first we will apply tan 30. Tan 30, if you apply now, you can find this answer, BC answer. Tan 30. Tan 30 degrees equals to, so what is the formula for tan? Opposite. Opposite means BC. Adjacent means AB. Tan 30 answer 1 by root 3. BC we have to find. Okay. AB 6. Then do cross multiplication. Do cross multiplication. Like this you multiply. Then what you will get? We will get BC into root 3 equals to 6 into 1, 6. Then what is BC? BC equals to 6 by root 3. BC answer is 6 by root 3. Okay. So BC answer we got. Now we have to find AC answer. For that what we have to apply? We will apply sin 30 equals to, sin means what? Formula, opposite. Opposite means BC. Hypotenuse AC. Sin 30 answer 1 by 2. BC answer here 6 by root 3 divided by AC answer. We need to find AC as it is. Do cross multiplication. This both you multiply and this both you multiply. What you will get? 1 into AC equals to 2 into 6 root 3. It is nothing but 2 into 6, 12 by root 3. Now height of tree. Height of tree equals to, what is the answer? BC plus CA. So what is BC here? 6 by root 3. Plus what is CA? 12 by root 3. Now we have to simplify this. Same denominator, no? Take LCM root 3. Add this numerator 6 plus 12. We will get 18 by root 3. 18 is written as 6 into 3 by root 3. Then again 3, how to write? Okay, I will write here. This 6 into 3 by root 3, no? 6 into 3 by root 3. That simplification I am writing here. Okay. So here 3 we have, no? 3 we can write like this. 6 into root 3 into root 3 by root 3 we can write. So 3 I am writing as root 3 into root 3. Same answer I will get. Observe this. 3 is written as root 3 into root 3. Why? Because this is written as root 3 square root ka answer is again 3. Okay, because of that. Okay, so now root 3 ka answer. Finally, what is the answer? 6 root 3. That's it. So what is the height of the tree? Height of the tree is 6 root 3. This is the answer. Height of the tree is 6 into root 3. So unit is what? Meters. That's it. So apply tan 30, we get BC answer. Apply sin 30, we get AC answer. Then both you add. Do simplification. After this, I wrote here simplification. Okay. That's it. Thank you.